In the last video, we were discussing about benefits of CPA. In this video, we will learn about its practices and some other tricks. So here is my file. Here are some tips and best practices. CPA affiliate marketing is not a set it and forget it method. You must invest time to cultivate a relationship with your CPA affiliates to create a strong conversion funnel to keep improving your conversion rate. You must try these tips to become successful in CPA. The number one point is consider hiring an affiliate manager. To get most out of your CPA marketing effort, you need a dedicated in-house resource. For example, a person who can recruit new CPA affiliates, engage with website owners, and send them new promotions and drive consistent revenue for your site. Review affiliate offer and provide insight into strategic changes. This is the point the affiliate manager can provide for affiliates. The next point is offer insight on what type of affiliate links or ads to use to optimize conversion. Provide tips on content that will effectively promote the merchant's product. The next point is send product update and new creative to CPA affiliates. Then we comes to provide commission, bonuses and incentives for high performing CPA affiliates. Affiliate managers can provide help for advertisers by taking the following actions. Connect you with and recruit the top performing affiliates in your niche. Brainstorm new promotional ideas for particular products. Send consistent brand messages and product update to the CPA network. Negotiate contracts with affiliates, oversees ROI, and compare your affiliate program to others to stay competitive. Guide you with creative that partners well with the best affiliate program and websites. Deal with taxes and set up your accounting services. Basically, these are all the points affiliate managers can provide you. So the next topic is avoid CPA network with bad reviews. The downside to CPA marketing, as with online money making opportunity, is the questionable network that have shady practices. Before you jump on board with any CPA affiliate marketing network, read the reviews. Auditor offer network reviews so you know which are worth your time and which to avoid. By opening Auditor, you can easily judge that. If you open Auditor, there will be website layout in which it's saying network reviews. When you click on that, it will be easy for you to search good and bad websites. Keep in mind that no network will have 100% satisfaction rating, so one or two complaints should scare you off. The most popular negative reviews topics include lack of payment. Please note that even highly reputable CPA marketing network may withhold payment for specific reasons, so review the network policies before signing on. Unhelpful affiliate managers. Difficulty signing up for network or using the platform. Then comes to utilize native advertising. The day of embedding ugly in your face banner across the header of your websites are over. It doesn't take blaring advertisement to convert customers. In fact, native ads or those that resemble your website color or layout and theme are among the marketing trend to watch in 2022. Non-social native spending will grow more than 80% this year to $8.71 billion. 71% of all mobile display ad dollar will be spent on the native placement. eMarketer predicts native advertising will make up nearly 60% of display spending in 2018 in the US. Integrating your advertising into a high quality web design will offer more conversions as native ads result in 2 times more visual focus than banner ads. Our next topic is the top CPA affiliate networks. But in this video we will close the chapter and see you in the next video with the new topic of CPA. See you in the next video. Goodbye.